Get some water. Wired headphones. I almost dropped my phone. Oh, but we have wireless buds in the studio today. Afshin, this is SKMDK. Back with another video. So, what do we have in studio today? Yes, we have the Ultra Buds 2021 from WripWraps. But we don't just have one. We have another one. The Ultra Buds 2021 from WripWraps. And you could be asking yourself, why two of them? And the reason for that is because I'm an awesome brother. I got this for my siblings because they'll be celebrating their birthdays very soon. So this is like an early birthday present. Do not tell them. This is what I decided to get for them. So I'm very excited actually to be unboxing this because this is a very new product, and yeah, you're probably going to be seeing this on this channel for the first time. So without wasting your time, let's get right into unboxing this beauty. So let's get to unbox this, but first let's look at the packaging. So in front it's written TWS with charging case in China. You can see there's sort of an Apple-like look. The side there's nothing. On the side also there's nothing. Other side also there's nothing. At the back you can see how they look. So yeah, let's unbox them. There isn't much. I think the packaging it's good. I would say it's good. Not very nice, but yeah, yes, it does the job. So get my knife to cut off. Okay, so that's it. So let's open it. On how side do we open it from? Struggling a bit here.
A few moments later.
Oh, there we go. So we'll have to pull it from this side. Oh, I guess this is nice packaging in terms of the way you open it. Okay. The first thing, you are greeted by Buzz himself. I think this is like a nice packaging for them. Let's see here. You have the lightning connector. So this is nice because it already gives you an extra lightning connector. So you get a lightning connector. You get some sort of a manual. Then we have the case itself. So yeah, let's put it on the side nicely. Right. So this is what you get in the box. Case, manual, as well as the cable itself. So this is nice because then you don't need to go get an extra cable. This is a nice touch from WripWraps. I really like this. Because for some of us, we'll be using this headphones, but we don't have Apple devices, so this is nice. So let's look at this. There's some wrapping on it. So if only I could just get it to work. Oh, there. Okay, goes like that. So I can just take it off like that. Right. So there they are. Seems like a button. I wonder what it's for. Oh, there. Probably this is to wake them up. So you press it, then it shows the side. And then this is where you put your lightning connector. Yep. So let's open them. There we have them. I think they're already trying to pair. Then okay. They look more like the normal Apple ones. The right side of it. Then we have the left side of it. Right. I believe that it also has wireless charging, but we'll have to test that. So yeah, I like the smaller packaging and the fact that you get this lightning connector, so an extra one, which is great. There's a quick start guide. Yeah, I doubt no one really reads these things anymore. You just start using them. So I guess since they have some power, I'll try it now on my Galaxy Z Fold2 5G. So let's see. Let me open them. I wonder how they actually start pairing, because I didn't want to read the guide. So let us go to Bluetooth. See if they do show. They do not show. Okay, I need to press in here. Still doesn't show. Okay, open. Scan. Doesn't show also. So let us take one of them out.
A few moments later.
So I finally managed to get them to actually pair. I just needed to take out one of the ports inside, and then it paired. And now after this, once it's paired, it's actually easy to just connect them. If you just open the case, you will see then the white ports will start connecting. There you go, it's connected for calls and audio. So yeah, that was it. I will be doing a full review of them. Probably in 2 weeks time. It should be up on my channel, so make sure you stay subscribed and you hit that bell notification so that you will be notified. And actually I'll also be doing a comparison of them with this Sabad E12 Ultra, which is the buds that I've been using all the time. And what I can already say is they are much more compact. The case is much more compact. But we'll have to test which ones are better in terms of audio, in terms of how well they stuck onto your ear, in terms of pairing, in terms of extra functions like touching the buds and all that, and also call quality, which is very important. I believe that this one is actually an upgrade in 2021, and they've said that they've increased the number of microphones, so meaning that it should have better call quality. But we'll test that and compare it with this one also. So yeah, make sure that you subscribe and that you stay subscribed so that you don't miss that. So yeah, that was it. Thanks for watching again. Cheers.